Oh, is this the bride? Very nice to meet you. Thank you for letting me come. There you go. Thank you.
But you don't use
I don't do that.
It's only for her.
Oh, sorry. Okay. How do I react?
Rahmat, thank you.
Oh, Rahmat.
Yeah.
Is she excited?
But she's shy.
To kheli gashange ast. I'm joking.
You're magic, wow. Great.
For their own safety, I told everyone at the wedding I was making a travel documentary.
Are these hats? Are they hats?
But I tried to get a bit too immersed into the local culture.
I would like a Tajik aros. Aros. How do I find one?
Of course, if you want.
Okay. All right, I'm getting in too deep now. Okay, it started off as a joke. Now I think she's actually taking it serious. God.
Thankfully, the groom arrived, taking the heat off me.
He's finally here. He didn't run away.
Traditional Tajik weddings used to have crowds of around 500 people, but President Rahmon has put an end to that. He decided people were using weddings to show off, so now you can be fined if you have more than 150 guests. There are even rules governing how long the wedding can last, how many cars can drive the couple around, and the food that can be served.